Here's an app called AUREN, an ally that gets you. AI chat for personal growth is emotionally in touch, great at listening in better and giving advice. So it's kind of like AI therapist app. AUREN has an alter ego. CERN pushes you to grow even when it's hard. It's an emotionally intelligent guide built for people who care deeply about their growth, relationships, goals, and emotional well-being. Whether you're stuck in life and spiraling, seeking inner clarity, or just want a private space where you can feel truly understood, AUREN offers grounded insight, warm encouragement, and gentle accountability on your terms. With memory, reflection, and real conversation, AUREN is designed to bring your inner compass into everyday life. So then, if you're ready for more challenge, you can call on CERN, AUREN's more aggressive side. CERN offers pushback strategy, hard truths, and tough love to help you grow at the edges. So pretty cool trending app. Basically, if you wanted to use ChatGPT but fine-tuned for this personal growth, then you can try this app, and let's just try to sign in like that. So 3 days free and $20 per month. Subscription grants 2,500 messages per month. So that's the price. And then, so then this is how it looks like. Then you can just enter name. So then it pushes you to enable notifications. You can add photos. You can take photos. You can send audio messages, and then how this conversation flows. So then you can see your app, and then you can see basically settings. So here you have two bots, and then you can then just select two modes. So that's basically the idea, and you can then just write some topics. So that's the idea basically, and then you can refer friends. Share your code with friends. They use your code within the app. You both get a 3 months of message credit after your friend's first monthly payment. So feel free to use my code. Here's my referral code, 9B56WD. And then you can just try to use my referral code in here. So that's the idea. Then there are message credits. I don't know. So you can still get some free messages, but very limited, without subscription. And that's basically the idea.